altogether beautiful, my darling. There is no flaw in you. Song of Solomon 4:7. So today is maintenance week and it's time to take this week off. Now it's gotta go. So this week has been on my head for about a month and a half now, and it's time for a wash day. So I wanted to start my maintenance off by unbraiding my hair, and I usually take my time with unbraiding my hair. Usually I would spray my braids and then unbraid them, but for some reason I couldn't find my spray. So I am just braiding it dry, which is scary because it's gonna break off my hair. And y'all, my hair is so dirty. Please do not judge me, but this is how I get my hair to grow, because the longer you leave it untouched, it'll grow. So I'm just unbraiding my hair, and then I'm gonna get into washing it as soon as I'm done. These are all of the products that I'm using to wash my hair. These are my go-to. I am doing a deep conditioner. So I'm starting off by wetting my hair. Then I'm going in with the Shea Moisture shampoo. This is really going to clean out all of that dirt, all of that gunk that's been sitting on my hair. I did do a pre-oil treatment before washing my hair to help get rid of that gunk as well. But I usually do my wash days in the bathroom, but since I was recording, I decided to do it in the kitchen sink. So I go ahead and do a conditioner treatment for my hair, and then go ahead and go in with my deep conditioner and put on my shower cap. I did steam it for like 10 minutes, and then that was it. After doing that, I was able to blow dry, straighten my hair, and this is how it looks, showing you guys how clean it is. I did that thing, okay? And I went ahead and straightened my hair. When my hair's been up for a while, I straighten it just to see how long it is and to give myself a trim. But that's all I'm doing here. I did go ahead and braid down my hair, and then now it's time to install this wig. And y'all, I did so good with this wig installation because look, where is the lace? I mean, obviously you can see it a little bit, but I have been getting better at doing this. Next I have is my eyebrows and my upper lip. I don't really have a mustache. I don't really get lots of hair in that area, but I shave it anyways because it's better to do it and just get it done with and not have to worry about whether or not I have a mustache. So I went ahead and trimmed my eyebrows. This is what I do for myself. You guys can do it your own way, but this is what works for me because this is what I like. And I just trim the hairs from my face anywhere I feel like there might be hair, and I'm just very careful and gentle with it. Next is my lashes. So I do DIY lash extensions, and I love this. I got this from Amazon for like 13 bucks. And I have my mirror here, and I'm using the lash balm to go ahead and do this. It really takes time to do these lash extensions because it's gonna fall. It's not gonna be perfect the first time you do it. So you do have to take your time with this and just be gentle and patient with yourself because you do not want that glue to fall into your eye. And you can see here how I kept trying over and over, and when I thought I had it, and then it came off anyway, so I had to add more glue and go back in and just make sure that it was stuck on there. And usually this would last me 3 to 5 days and up to a week sometime. The lashes look good, and the last thing I did was my nails. I did my nails myself, but usually I go and get a pedicure for my feet. And that's it, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.